Hey there, it's Gretchen Coley with the Coley Group at Allen Tate, and today we've got a super special treat in our Discover the Triangle series. We are in the fabulous space of Lavish with owner Jenny Cimino, and if you haven't been here before, this place is like eye candy.
We have an absolute blast in here and really are thrilled that we get to spend our working day in here and call this office.
So for those of you out there watching, if you've never been here, tell us about where you're located and what this showroom is all about.
Absolutely. Lavish is in Sutton Square in North Raleigh over by North Ridge Country Club. We've been here 4 years this April already. It's a great location and just the perfect size shop for us to show as much as we can to our clients of our beautiful, sparkly, fun things.
There's so much in here, and we're going to take you around and let you kind of see what's going on too. But I can tell you, every time I come in here, there's something fabulous to take home with you, including a lot of wine.
My favorite.
We love that part.
A couple of years back, we decided, you know what? We love wine so much. It's also a favorite pastime with clients when we have them in for their meetings. We went through the process of getting our license, and it's just so much fun on a Tuesday afternoon, even with our team, to sit down and pick out and curate some of these wonderful wines.
Lavish is a full-service interior design firm.
Lavish was born with the concept to really bring a lot of designers in our industry under a team that we could all work together. We focus on both residential and commercial.
Wow.
Absolutely.
That's not a focus, that's everything.
Right, yeah. And do as little as a simple color consult when a client can't decide on the huge spectrum of colors to choose for their home. And we also build and furnish homes together with our clients.
So I've walked through several of the homes that you've done, and they are all so beautifully done, but also they don't typically follow the rules.
Our design philosophy is to really stay timeless. We achieve that by staying pretty safe with the color palettes on items that are going to stay secure into the home, such as cabinetry.
Yeah, that makes
but
sense.
Where we love playing around with color and texture and just certain design elements would be lighting, tile, wallpaper. Those tend to be safe areas that our clients can really wrap their minds around and be willing to step out on a ledge with us to create something really unique and beautiful.
What would be a couple of the things that you would do right off the bat if you bought a house, say, by a national builder?
Sure. Most easy and quick turnaround items to do, let's say you buy your dream home, but it's missing that little unique element that you want to take and make your own. The top two trends that we go on and do quickly to make it truly move-in ready for you are paint, whether it's on the wall, maybe you're painting a window a different color.
I love that.
Painting a cabinet a different color, and then lighting, of course. Those are just really non-invasive projects into the home and can really give you a lot of bang for your buck.
You've got the store here, you've got the design element, but you also have a meeting space and an entertainment space. And I saw some llamas or something outside at one of your parties.
Yeah.
So tell us about the parties you guys are throwing here.
We love staying connected with our clients and throwing client appreciation events. And let's be real, it's more so an excuse to get together and drink wine together. Okay, so
I knew that we were
let's
good
just
together.
be honest. Let's be honest, all right? So number one, you can always count on having a nice bottle of wine open here when you come to event at Lavish.
There you go.
But this was our 3rd annual Dirty Santa and Christmas Jammies. So we thought, what's a better way than to celebrate making it a Llama-Grinchmas? So on Lavish's patio out front, we had, yes, this is right, a green llama all the way driven in from Fayetteville, North Carolina, and boy, did we have a blast.
You have got to come in and take a look at Lavish. Thank you so much for joining us today and Discover the Triangle. This space is incredible. They're welcoming. Come in and check it out. You'll have everything from gifts, wine, interior design, everything that lifestyle is all about. We'll see you at Lavish in Sutton Square. See you later.